How to contact Tinder support. Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can contact Tinder support. So if you need any help with your Tinder, make sure you stay till the end of this video and follow along the steps to contact the Tinder support. So basically, to contact Tinder support, it's not through the application by itself, but you need to go into Safari or whatever browser that you're using, and you go to this page. You just type in help.tinder.com, and it will bring you to this page. So here they have a few options. One is a guide to Tinder, so you may find the help that you need here. The other one is troubleshooting, so more options here, security and privacy, and safety and reporting. Or if you don't see the problem that you have, you can always use the search bar and search for any problem that you have encountered. So basically that's it for today's quick tutorial. I hope you guys find this tutorial helpful, and if you do find it helpful, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel for more upcoming tutorials. Thank you and goodbye.